My name is Hermona and I'm in 5th grade.
My name is Dashik and I'm in 4th grade.
My name is Anthony and I'm in 4th grade.
My name is Azalea and I'm in 5th grade.
My name is Carmen and I'm in 5th grade.
We are Engineering Strong Minds.
We use that for our clan motto on announcements in the morning to help our students know that they are engineers and they do have strong minds.
It's basically like engaging them to focus on their schoolwork and like telling them that you got this.
It helps me think, oh, yes, I need to do what I need to do so I can build my knowledge up.
Because everyone is an engineer.
EDP stands for Engineering Design Process.
In the engineering design process, we have ask, imagine, plan, create, and improve. And we can use that in our everyday school life. So I feel like that really helps me with my work if I'm stuck on something.
Like you use it when you wake up, you use it to go to bed, you just use it 24/7, 365.
For our projects, we use them to like help us go through and like make them look as good as possible.
In projects, you could like show your creativity.
It's easier to know it when you're actively doing it, and Carter Lawrence just helps with that.
Since we're doing projects, like more projects, a lot of people are learning how to like improve on their teamwork and like collaborating.
Here there's more projects, so more craftsmanship and more making friendships. This school doesn't have like I can't do it. It's like a growth mindset.
And critical thinking, it's really like a mindset for these upcoming engineers.